What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Big juicy breakout for Matic. Currently sitting at $1.13, up 16% on the day. Sitting in market cap of 9.6 B. 24-hour volume, 708 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, grab up to 8K in bonuses, or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. These are the two exchanges I do my investing and my trading. You can sign up through my referral links. Email me your sign-up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, completely for free. All right, guys, let's jump into Matic. So we've seen a nice explosive move, currently up 12%. So what I would be looking at here is that Matic was still looking to put in the wave 5. Unless this was a shallow wave 2, we did meet the minimum target, and now you're going to push up in this like massive wave 3. Otherwise, what I would be looking at here is that all of this was corrective, and now we're pushing up in a wave 5. And so far in that wave 5, we have a 3-wave move. So you have a nice wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, and now you're pushing up in that explosive wave 3. So if we take a trend-based extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top of wave 2 to the bottom of wave 2, you can see we're trying to make it up to the 1.618 extension, which is at $1.12, which is a normal target for a wave 3. So you would push up 1, 2, 3, look to push back in a 4, and then push up in that final wave 5. Now, if we do push up and break $1.16, it invalidates us coming down in the ending diagonal wave C of the wave 2, and we could erase that from our memory and basically focus on a wave 2 pullback already being in for the price of Matic. But here on the short term, I would expect you to probably push up to about $1.12 and then potentially put in a wave 4 pullback. Of course, a wave 3 can overextend to the 2.618 and stuff like that. But this is what I think is likely, is that we're pushing in that wave 5 to complete the wave 1, and then you'll pull back in a wave 2. As you can see, we're starting to break out of this consolidation. Nice bounce off the 20 EMA on the daily time frame. Still printing a bearish divergence, so do keep an eye on that. But of course, it can take time to play out. We are watching for a potential head and shoulders. But if you are seeing this as a bull flag, what you can do is measure your flagpole and take it to the point of breakout, and that will probably take you right up to that next level of resistance in between about $1.29 to about $1.41. Will we push all the way up to that price? Could you imagine? We would only be down from the all-time high. If let's say we push up to 141, only 50% down, which would be absolutely crazy. One of the strongest movers in the bear market has been Matic, so with one of the quickest recoveries. So that's your technical target. Just be careful. If we just start to come back down, then it could just be a major liquidity grab. We'll see where this daily candle finishes. What may happen is you see some sell-off and we come right back down into this zone. We'll have to see how that plays out. Taking a look at Ethereum, the ABC, the wave 4 may already be complete, as we have come down to the 0.236. And this could be a 1 into a 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete that larger wave 5. Obviously, Matic is already pushing up in that wave 5, but Ethereum may look to do the same. We'll have to see if we do see a continuation and continue to push up here. For the price of ETH, we are just flirting with the resistance of 1617, but currently we have wicked back down to the 20 EMA. So if ETH were to push in Matic's footstep, that's when you can see it push all the way up to about 1769. Just be cautious. Money's flowing out. Divergences on the daily, on the 4-hour, very similar to Bitcoin. But actually, the 4-hour RSI has already come back down to oversold. So you could consider that divergence to already be complete. So there is an opportunity for ETH to see some continuation to the upside in the short term and potentially put in that wave 5. If we just simply roll over, then we may be still correcting in this wave 4. So do keep that in mind. If we break the invalidation of 1779, then we can erase from our memory this ending diagonal, as it would be invalidated by breaking the wave 2 high. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at. If we do push a little bit higher, the wave 3 can end at the current price target, but just watch $1.12, and then basically what you would look at, let's quickly drop in the waves pushed up in a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback. Wave 3, you would see a wave 4, and a final wave 5. Probably take you up to about $1.16 for the price of Matic. All right, gang, that is it for this one. If you found it helpful, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Watch my full length tutorials, which are in the description as well as pinned at the end of the video. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign up email. Free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news. You can see how the members are doing. They like to post their profits in here. What I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. Same price as a Netflix subscription. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.